Hello students, in the last class we have calculated the value of root 2 and then we have plotted it on the number line. Now we are going to plot root 3 on the number line. So in order to plot root 3 on the number line, root 2 is already required that we have done in the last video. We have taking it as 1 and this was hypotenuse and root 2 was calculated. Now we are going to calculate the value of root 3 and then plot on the number line. This is a question from NCERT class 9 exercise 1.2. Basically root 5 is asked. We are plotting it step by step. First, in last video we have plotted the value of root 2. Now we are plotting the value of root 3. In next video we will plot the value of root 5. Let us start. So here root 2 is already given. In step 1, root 2 is already given, so we will take this line OB is equal to root 2. This is our baseline. On this baseline, we are going to draw a line perpendicular to this line. So on this line OB, we will draw a line perpendicular to this line OB. Perpendicular line means a line which is making 90-degree angle with the baseline, and we will take this line as OBE and we will take the value of this BE is equal to 1. In step number 2, we will draw BE perpendicular to line OB and we will take this value of line EB is equal to 1. In third step, in step number 3, what we will do, we will join point O and E, and in this step we will calculate the value of OE. Now in third step we are going to join OE. Once we will join OE, we will get a new right angle triangle OE and B. We will got a new right angle triangle, that is O, B and E. In this right angle triangle, OB is base and value of this base is root 2. In triangle OEB, BE is perpendicular, so BE is perpendicular and value of BE is 1. And the side which is opposite to this right angle triangle OE is called hypotenuse. So OE is equal to hypotenuse. OE is hypotenuse and basically we have to calculate the value of OE. In last class when we have calculated the value of root 2, this line was hypotenuse for this triangle OA and B. Now we are not taking this triangle, we are looking at this triangle. For this triangle, OB is base, BE is perpendicular and EO is hypotenuse. Now we are applying the formula from trigonometry, that is hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is EO, hypotenuse is OE or EO. So this is EO or OE square. Perpendicular here is BE and BE is equal to 1. Perpendicular is BE and BE is equal to 1 square. Base here is OE, OB and OB here is, let me write first of all, perpendicular is EB square and base here is OB, write it as OB square. Let us do it step by step. Now put the value of EB. Put the value of EB. EB is equal to 1 perpendicular, that is equal to 1 square, and put the value of base, that is OB. OB is root 2 whole square. 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now EO square or OE square is equal to 3. Taking under root of both sides, EO will be equal to under root 3. So that's in this way we have calculated under root 3. This is under root 3. Now last step is step number 4. This is plot OE on the number line. Plot OE on the number line. So in order to plot OE on the number line, we'll take a compass. We'll put the pointed side on O and we'll put the side with the pencil on E, like this. And then without moving this point from O, we'll move our pencil side and plot it on the number line. So this OE will touch somewhere here on the number line. We'll name this point as OF. This is. So this OF is equal to OE, and this is equal to under root 3. So value of OE is calculated, that is under root 3. That's all for today. Thank you.